We have the president of the All India Mahila Congress, Shobha Oza. She's making her first appearance on the News Hour tonight. Ms. Oza, thank you and welcome. Hope to look forward to your continued participation. Ami Yagnik also represents the Congress Party, and the BJP tonight is represented by Legal and spokesperson Pinky Anand. Thank you very much, Ms. Anand. I believe there are some questions which need to be answered, and I hope that we will get through those questions. Ms. Anand, yesterday on the program, Meenakshi Lekhi appeared and she made some few points. We made some points to her. And of course, she threatened to sue everyone for defamation, but let's go to some of the points she raised. Point number one was this. I'm glad you're smiling about that. So were we. She says, this is not stalking.
How can many people threaten you with defamation? I don't know.
Well, people can try. But the question is, Pinky Anand, I just want to go on the points. She said, the reference was to the word stalking, right? So she said, this is not stalking, the girl was in the know. Now, my question to start off the debate was, so far, this lady has remained silent, right? There is no proof that your party has been able to produce that the lady concerned was being tailed and tapped and she knew about it. Is there?
See, Arnab, I think what is on record is the fact that her father has made a statement that the tailing and the following and whatever procedure was done at his instance of requesting for security protection for her. And I don't think that we need to go beyond it to prove anything. The girl has not come to make any statement. To the contrary, the father has made a statement. That
how can the father make a statement on her behalf? The lady is
into fight.
How can the father make a statement on her behalf? I mean, she's not a minor.
The request.
She's not a minor.
It's not. No, you're right. No, Arnab, in a question where the family is requesting for protection for a girl or a daughter,
no, but where is major, what I'm saying is, how can I?
Arnab, the only point I want to make very shortly is this, that when there is a request made by a family for the protection of a daughter, even though she's a major, ultimately it is the duty of the state government to provide for security for the girl. The girl's knowledge can only be implied from the fact, for the time being for you, and that might be sufficient, is to say that she has not come forward to say anything.
No, you see.
So I know, aren't we making a mountain out of a molehill?
No, we're not. You see, I'm just saying factual fact. I'll let Shobha Oza respond to you first. All I'm saying is that there is no proof that the lady knew she was being tailed and tapped. There's no proof. We have proof that she was being tailed, she was being tapped. But we have no proof that she knew she was being tailed and tapped.
You don't have proof also. I'm sorry, Arnab.
No, we're getting a counter. I think
sting tapes and tapes released.
Shobha Oza wants to raise her hand. I'll let her rebut you. Come back to you, Mr. Anand, one second. Shobha Oza, your counter to Pinky Anand.
Yeah. The points I would like to bring across are, first of all, the tapes come out, the very next day the father's statement comes through BJP.
Yeah.
Point to be noted, through BJP, I would underline. The BJP gives the statement what the father had released, saying that they were a personal friend to the Modi, and Modi on a verbal request gave safety to the daughter. Fine. One, safety, when they say safety, I don't understand, or the country doesn't understand what type of a safety. Entire government machinery acts to snoop, to stalk that girl. 3 agencies: crime branch of the state, IB branch of the state,
yeah,
and ATS, anti-terrorist squad. Was this girl a terrorist, or was there
no,
a
they
threat
say there's
from
a threat
the terrorists to the girl?
They're saying there's a threat to her. She was harassed.
A threat? What type of a threat? Was it from the terrorists?
What kind of a threat, Pinky Anand? What is the threat? 1 second. To Pinky Anand, the counter is, was there a threat? What is the kind of threat?
Let me just respond to you and to Shobha to say this, that what you are basing your statement on the fact of which of the agencies was employed or engaged to look for the security for the woman, is based upon tapes, the veracity, the authenticity of which has not been decided by any competent or other investigative agency, nor by the CBI.
No, you said there's a threat to her,
Mr. G.L. Singhal, who himself, just a minute, Arnab, the tapes have been released by Mr. Mr. Singhal, who himself got bail because the CBI did not file a charge sheet within the prescribed statutory time.
Yeah.
The tapes have been released by somebody who seems to have taped certain conversations, who claims to have taped certain conversations over the course of some time.
No, but
I don't think and have emerged. And
so
seen the
what
light
you're
of
saying
day
proves.
within 4 years of the
go back to the
so-called
point.
taping having taken place.
Go back. We're getting Ami Agni. I go back to the point, and my only limited point is, I mean, let's go logically. If there is a threat to this lady, does it not make more sense to intercept the phone calls of the people who are threatening her, not her? Right?
Right.
So what I'm saying is that can the government,
when it is required, I don't think
has not there to be a written
I don't think
application from the
security
father.
and law and
Was it
order
a written
problems need to be
application?
addressed in the media
No, this is not
as much as in the privacy of the homes of the people
but this
who
is
have asked for the security.
with respect, with respect. The tapes are made public in a press
Pinky ji,
conference.
how many more
all
women
I'm
have been
saying,
given
all I'm
such,
saying is,
security?
I'm sorry, the tapes
all
have
I'm
been,
saying is,
made public by means of Cobra Post, which itself doesn't go on the authenticity of these CDs.
Once, we make
so,
more
where
sense.
are we going to? Everything is being
They
based
vouch for the
upon these
authenticity of
tapes
these
Okay, I'll go to
have not been
Cobra
tested,
and Guled
which have
both
not
are
been found to
vouching
be
for
genuine
the
by any authority.
Ami Agnik,
Aren't we
countering
barking up the wrong
Pinky
tree?
Anand, let's get her in. Ami Agnik is countering Pinky Anand. Now we're getting into detailed turf. Pinky Anand, we are just raising questions here. Ami Agnik, to you. Go ahead.
Arnav, first of all, the letter of the father comes suddenly from the BJP quarters, and he says he made an oral request to look after her girl because she did not, he was concerned about her safety.
Yes.
That's all. No procedures followed. No order given that we are going to intercept the phone calls. And surveillance team consisting of 3 main branches of the police, the state IB officers, the ATS officers, the crime branch officers, and all of them on motorbikes, even in the flight, and the girl is unaware of the surveillance that is going on. A state-sponsored surveillance. Why is the topmost powerful ministers interested in this? Why is the girl not told that she is being protected, if she was being protected at all? And the tapes have been given by GL Singhal, 267 records, and he is, in fact, it is inculpating himself in the whole thing. So there is no question of not authenticating. And the Mr. Rajnath Singh has come.
Where is Amit Shah, by the way?
That,
Where is Amit Shah, by the way?
Of the Sahib.
Where is Amit
Why
Shah?
doesn't Amit Shah comment on this?
Where is Amit Shah?
And so now, why there
Pinky
should
Anand.
not be a judicial probe,
Pinky Anand.
or why Mr. Amit Shah is not coming out?
No, where is Mr. Amit Shah?
Why does the government of Gujarat keep mum on that?
Arnab, are we talking about some Aapki Adalat where the person is supposed to come up here and to give his defense as if there is some accused or a crime trial going on? Ultimately you have no complainant. The father has made a statement whether it has come
where is Amit Shah?
Otherwise, it is not been
Violation
debated.
of privacy.
Mr. Singhal
There is no
himself
need of a
stands in a very
complainant when
awkward
such an
predicament.
episode
He
has come
himself
to
got
public
bail
domain.
because of the
It
CBI
is
not
the
filing a
duty of
charge
the
sheet.
person concerned
4 years down the line, you have a
come open
person
on this.
taking CDs. You do not have any proof of the genuineness of these CDs, and you are seeking
but
to
you
make out an
agree that
entire
you-
case, and you want as if the the people who are so-called accused by you should come out and give a statement. We are here. Arnab, we are making the statements on behalf of
you say.
the
Now
BJP,
let's get into
and I
legal.
think there should be fairly sufficient, and we
one
don't
second.
need to go into the entire protocol of how it has happened.
How is
You
it
have the
happened?
girl
No,
in
you
front
show
of
me
you
the
asking for
documentation
justice.
and I'll
Do
stop
you
asking the
Maybe
question.
some of the other answers will also come.
One
When
second.
Rajnath Singh ji says accepting,
You
your
s-
other people from your party are accepting, do you accept such a thing happened? Rajnath
accept-
Singh is accepting it. Do you deny the
No,
fact
which
that
thing? The
This
point
thing,
is
this
your
conversation.
seeking the
So-called
admission
snooping happened.
is on a different platform to which I am not accepting.
That such things happen
Let's
on
be very
verbal
clear.
request.
The fact
How
is,
many
yes,
more have
on the
got-
father's request,
got
security
such a
was
protection
provided,
on verbal
but not
request?
security of the type that is being alleged by you,
And does
nor
verbal
the various
request
agencies, nor
get
are
followed by
nor are we
snooping
relying
and
upon these
stalking?
267
The girl
or
is eating,
260
she's
No,
going
no,
to
one
gym,
second.
she's going on the plane, traveling
in
everything.
2009.
So this is all false.
Only the
One second.
36
So 1 minute. 1 minute. So Pinky
just at the
Anand.
time of election.
Pinky Anand, I have to take a short 180-second
Yes.
break. But before I go to the break, I have one question to ask you. Right? And just, this is to you, Ami Agni, please listen carefully. So it's all false, you're saying? You're saying it's all false, right? Your argument is these tapes are all fake. Are you saying that?
Yes.
Then why did you get the father's letter? What is the father's letter? That's also fake.
But what do you mean you got the father's letter? If the father comes forth,
I thought the BJP
and
made
gives
the father's letter public.
talking
Am I
about the
wrong?
Security that he wanted to be provided.
But the BJP got the father's
But
letter
obviously,
public.
as you know, we walked in
No,
and
why
got
are
a letter
you-
from the father.
No, no, you're
if
what,
the
sir?
father comes forward with a statement,
No, he gives it
which
to
is
you.
produced before the media, because the media is
No, no, but
crying horse and
why does
country
it-
about
How
it.
would the father
He
know
went
that
and
they are
got the letter.
concerning
We
his
didn't. The
daughter?
father came with the letter that was presented to the media.
But you just-
Please, let's not get into this domain. You know, everything cannot be
Arnav,
looked
how
at
would the father
with other
know?
coloured eyes
How
that
would
you
the
seem to
father
be
know
having.
that
No, no,
they are
one sec-
That it
concerning
is
his
his daughter who
No, no,
speaks
1 minute,
out
1 minute.
loud.
I had 2 lines of questioning. Ladies, 1 minute, 1 minute. My first question to Pinky Anand, and let me say this, you know, Pinky Anand is a legal. And she knows the question I'm asking. My first question to Pinky Anand was, do you think the tapes are fake? To which she said yes. My second
Yes.
question to Pinky Anand, who just said this is not some Aapki Adalat, it's not a court, it certainly isn't, it's just a news program called the News Hour, a humble program called the News Hour. My second question was, if this letter, if these tapes are fake, why did you produce the father's letter? If there is no basis to this whole issue, what was
I'm
the
sorry,
father
Arnab.
responding to in the first place?
So
If
much
nothing
is
has
being made up by
happened,
the
no,
dirty tricks
if nothing
department
has
of the
happened,
Congress,
then what are you reacting to?
No, you're right. Nothing has happened. No, the question is not if you don't react, then you'll have a response.
Okay.
If you react, you'll have a response. Well, something needed to be said.
Why was
to
the
the media
desperation?
I'll
on
take a
account
break.
of the kind of case that is
I'll be
got
back
to
in
played
3
out
minutes.
by the UP government and by the press conferences. You know, Arnab, this is election time. The only
Ami,
attempt of UPA is
I'll
to try
come
to
back.
disparage
I'll come
OBC
back.
in one way or the other because they can't take
I'm
the
coming
rallies
back
that
in
are
a-
coming out with so much response compared to Rahul Gandhi's
I'm coming
rallies
back in
that happened
180
in
seconds and we'll give
So, I
Pinky
mean, you
Anand
know,
full right of rebuttal to that question. My question to her is, if the tapes are fake, what are you reacting to? Pinky Anand will respond. Only 180 seconds, ladies, and all our viewers. We'll be back on this.